Greetings, gals and guys! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, where we share the best tips and tricks for a sparkling home. We all love a clean and fresh bathroom, right? It's one of those places in our home that we use multiple times every single day. It's a place where we start and end our days, setting the tone for our mornings and helping us unwind at night. But here's a little secret. It's not just about sparkling sinks and floors. There's more to a truly clean bathroom than meets the eye. The inside of your toilet tank needs some love too. It's often overlooked, but can harbor hidden grime and buildup. Don't worry, it's easier than you think to keep things clean in there. With a few simple steps, you can make a big difference. We're going to tackle that hidden grime and make your bathroom shine from the inside out. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing every part of your bathroom is spotless. No harsh chemicals needed, just simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Baking soda and vinegar work wonders. Get ready for a sparkling clean toilet tank that will make you proud. Your bathroom will not only look clean, but feel fresh too. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. With a little effort, you'll have a bathroom that truly sparkles from top to bottom. You know I love using natural solutions whenever I can, and cleaning the toilet tank is no exception. Baking soda and vinegar are my go-to cleaning superheroes. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive, loosening up those stubborn stains and mineral deposits. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, breaking down grime and leaving your bathroom smelling fresh as a daisy. These pantry staples are not only effective, but also safe for your family and the environment. Plus, they're super affordable. Who doesn't love a good bargain? Ready to get cleaning? Let's do it! Cleaning your toilet tank might seem like a daunting task, but with our step-by-step guide, you'll have it sparkling in no time. First, turn off the water supply to your toilet. This is crucial to prevent any water from refilling the tank while you're cleaning. Then flush the toilet to empty the tank and bowl. This step ensures that you have a clean slate to work with and makes the cleaning process more effective. See, we're already making progress. An empty tank is much easier to clean and allows the cleaning agents to work more efficiently. Now, sprinkle about 1 cup of baking soda into the tank. Baking soda is a natural cleaner that helps to break down grime and neutralize odors. Make sure it's evenly distributed. This ensures that every part of the tank gets the cleaning benefits of the baking soda. Next, pour in 2 cups of white vinegar. Vinegar is a powerful cleaning agent that reacts with the baking soda to help lift stains and disinfect the tank. Watch the fizz. That's the cleaning power in action. The bubbling reaction means the baking soda and vinegar are working together to clean your tank. Let the mixture sit for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have time. The longer it sits, the more effective it will be at breaking down any buildup. This gives the baking soda and vinegar time to work their magic. Patience is key here, as it allows the solution to penetrate and clean thoroughly. After soaking, grab your toilet brush and give the inside of the tank a good scrub. Focus on any areas with visible stains or buildup to ensure a thorough clean. Finally, turn the water supply back on and flush a couple of times to rinse away the cleaning solution. This step ensures that all the cleaning agents are washed away, leaving your tank clean and fresh. That's it. You've got yourself a sparkling clean toilet tank. Regular cleaning like this can help maintain your toilet and keep it functioning efficiently. Before we finish, take a second to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Let us know below how often you clean your toilet tank. Remember, safety first. When it comes to cleaning, it's crucial to prioritize your safety and well-being. Always wear gloves when cleaning to protect your hands from harsh chemicals and potential irritants. Gloves act as a barrier, keeping your skin safe. Also, make sure your bathroom is well ventilated while using vinegar. Proper ventilation helps disperse any strong odors and ensures you're not inhaling fumes. For extra cleaning power, you can add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the vinegar. This not only boosts the cleaning effect, but also leaves a pleasant scent. Tea tree oil is a great option for its antibacterial properties, making it perfect for disinfecting surfaces and keeping germs at bay. While lavender will leave your bathroom smelling heavenly, its calming aroma can turn your cleaning routine into a more enjoyable experience. Cleaning your toilet tank regularly will help keep it sparkling clean. This often overlooked area can harbor bacteria and grime if not maintained, and prevent stubborn stains from building up. Regular maintenance ensures your toilet functions efficiently and looks pristine. It's a simple task that makes a big difference in maintaining a fresh and healthy bathroom for you and your family. A clean bathroom contributes to overall hygiene and comfort. You've got this.